Hi, I'm Sierra. I'm the NSF GK12 Project Extremes Fellow. I'll be in your classroom this year as a scientist in residence, so I can learn to be a better science communicator and help you guys learn about what doing science is really like. This video is to tell you a little bit about me and my research, so let's go! I grew up on a tiny ranch in the mountains outside of Boulder, Colorado. Besides me, my sister Sage, my mom Elisa, and my dad Otzi, we have lots of horses, cows, chickens, pigs, ponies, geese, rabbits, dogs, and cats. When we were old enough, my sister and I were in charge of making sure that all the animals were fed each morning and every night. Growing up, we took lots of trips to ride horses and go rafting. I went to Washington Bilingual School and Casey Middle School, where I was always the tallest kid in my grade. In high school at Boulder High, I was good at English, math, history, Spanish, and science, but not great in any one class. I was tall enough, however, to get a basketball scholarship to Stetson University in DeLand, Florida. I played basketball at Stetson for 3 years, but it was too far away from the mountains, so I moved back to Colorado and went to CU. When I was little, I thought I would grow up a figure skater, a veterinarian, a teacher, or a doctor. But in college, I had some really inspiring professors who introduced me to some branches of science called ecology and evolutionary biology, and I realized that I wanted to be a scientist. So now I'm a graduate student at CU, training to be an evolutionary biologist, and I'm learning how to use the information in DNA to conserve threatened and endangered species and the places they live. This is a field called conservation genetics. In particular, I study the greenback, cutthroat, trout, the Colorado state fish. I use the information in their DNA to try to figure out how they got to where they are today. If they swam up or downstream a long time ago, or if they were moved by humans. I also use their DNA to figure out how they are related to their closest cousins who live on the other side of the continental divide. This work is important because we need to know what we are trying to protect and where it should be living. It's also fun because we get to go hiking and fishing and look at DNA. So now you know about me. This year I look forward to getting to know all of you and telling you about my research and showing you how much fun science can be. Thanks for watching!